Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive, stock number Z9888XX. 57,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seats with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.